Hello, my name's Kevin. I'm the creator of Custom Shift Knob in my Genesis Coupe. Maybe you've heard of it. If not, I want to tell you about it. Aren't you tired of the same old, ordering a shift knob only to be disappointed? Okay, time to buy a new shift knob so that I can get some poo. Amazon. Yep. Okay.
Like that?
Cool.
Okay.
Shift knob. Okay, what do we got here? Okay. I need something that says bingo. Oh, free shipping. Okay, yeah, this will probably get, yeah, chicks will dig this for sure. Add to cart. It's here. Hi, I work for UPS. And because I work for UPS, I got your package here faster than FedEx, that's for sure. Okay, yeah, that's great. Thank you. Tip yourself. Thanks. Yes. Something to cut it. Okay. Come on. Yes. Okay. Huh. This looks nothing like the ad. Oh, brother. Ooh, that's gotta hurt. Don't worry, Johnny. I've been there too. Well, I can't show up to the car show with this. If only there was a better way. Hey, Johnny. Mythical voice speaking from the clouds. Who said that? You don't have to be stuck with that same old boring shift knob. Why don't we take your existing shift knob and customize it a little bit? That sounds great, but I don't even know how to do that. Would you be willing to show me how? Of course I will, Johnny. Here's how to do it. That sounds awesome. I mean, I can't wait. I'm so excited. So very simply, first thing you're going to need to do is get your shift knob sanded down. It takes 180 grit, 320, depending on if it has texture or anything. Basically want to get it all smooth and get rid of all the shine off of your shift knob. Now for this step, you don't need any kind of fancy paint. I just went with a flat black here because it's suitable to my design. But you're going to want to get full coverage, and after you get it all set up, you're going to want to wait 45 minutes for it to fully cure before moving on to the next step. Now that we have our base, I'm using the color I painted my interior with, Kawasaki green, and you're going to get it nice and wet. Take a cellophane plastic and just crinkle it up and then put it over your shift knob that you are now going to try to give the marble effect to, and then peel it off while it's still wet. You want to do this relatively quickly. We're going to do this step about 2 or 3 times until you get the effect that you desire. Now we're going to come over with our third color. You want to make sure that that sets up for another 45 minutes because you want that part to be dry before you come in with your third color. I'm using a gold here because I think the gold metallic will set it off just right. I grabbed another bag and I crinkled it up before applying it on there. I'm going to go ahead and hit the bottom edge here because I missed a couple spots, but you want it to still be wet when you do this, okay? Grab it, go ahead and wrap it up. That's going to be a very important part of this. Once you've gone ahead and peeled that off and done it as many times as you would like, go ahead and hit it with some clear coat, and the end result is a marbleized shift knob.
Hey, nice knob.
Thanks. Did it myself.
So you want to take me out tonight?
Oh wow, I'm flattered, but sorry, no. I got a little date with the lady that made all this happen. Oh yeah, I'm gonna date my hand tonight. You know what I mean? Thanks for watching the video, guys. In all seriousness, this has been painting your shift knob. It's relatively easy, really. You don't need that many supplies, but I will say for adhesion purposes, definitely make sure you get a good sand on there, a good scuff. The technique I displayed here is like a plastic bag marbling technique. It's really unique, will make your shift knob stand out, trust me. As far as clear coat goes, you can get an aerosol clear coat, but if you really want to step up the quality, you're going to need a 2-stage clear coat. It's got the clear and the hardener, and it's going to be and for that perfection finish, sand it and buff it at the end, and you got yourself an amazing high quality shift knob that is custom tailored to your interior, matches it perfectly. You don't have to go out there searching all day. Just get yourself a standard round metal or even one of those acrylic shift knobs and just sand it and customize it the way you like it, guys. So if you like what you saw here today and you don't want to miss any future episodes, like, subscribe, and stay tuned, guys. We got more coming your way.